Competency-based learning has truly helped me not just in my studies but also in handling real-life situations. Unlike traditional learning, competency-based education focuses on developing real skills, understanding concepts deeply, and applying them in everyday life. For me, this has made learning more meaningful and exciting. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned is adaptation and flexibility. Life doesn't always go the way we plan, and earlier I would get upset when things didn't happen as expected. But now, I've learned to think differently and adapt to changes calmly. Whether it's a sudden change in plans or dealing with a new situation, I try to find solutions rather than getting stuck. Competency-based learning has also given me the freedom to explore new skills beyond textbooks. Instead of following a strict, fixed schedule, I now find time to learn things that interest me, like cooking, learning a musical instrument, or exploring a new software program. This kind of learning makes me feel more independent and prepared for the future. Another big change is that I now understand myself better. I've become more aware of my strengths and weaknesses, which helps me learn in a way that suits me. I know whether I learn better by watching, listening, or doing hands-on activities. This self-awareness has helped me become a more efficient learner. When it comes to teamwork, competency-based learning has taught me how to work with others by focusing on each person's strengths and weaknesses. In group projects, we now divide work based on what each of us is good at. This makes our work faster, smoother, and much more organized. We also learn to respect and support one another. I've also gained decision-making skills. I now make small choices on my own, like selecting what clothes to wear or helping plan a family trip. These simple decisions make me feel more responsible and confident in myself. Moreover, I've become more thoughtful about the choices I make, especially when it comes to the environment. For example, I try to avoid plastic and choose reusable items. I now think about how my actions affect nature, which shows how learning has shaped my values too. Role plays and activities in class have also taught me how to deal with real-world scenarios. Through market-related role plays, I've learned how to ask questions, compare prices, and make decisions like a smart customer. These activities are fun and teach practical skills that I can use outside school. Lastly, I used to struggle with memorizing long answers. But now, I understand the concepts deeply, and that helps me do well in exams. I get better marks not because I memorized everything, but because I really understand what I'm learning. In conclusion, competency-based learning has made me more adaptable, confident, skilled, and environmentally aware. It has prepared me not just for exams, but for real life. I believe that this kind of learning is the key to a smarter, more capable, and more caring future. Thank you.